everyone, this is Service Coder and welcome back to Artemis Coder. Today I'm going to show you how to use CAD circuits. So here are all the components. So today I will show you a simple basic components like an LED light emitting diode which gives light, a resistor which reduces the energy, and a 9-watt battery. Now we will going to make a temporary circuit using a breadboard. And to check the volts, we are going to use this. Now, first use this to it will go over here. We use this to reduce the energy so that LED does not burst. This will go over your positive side and this negative side of the battery will connect over here. And in LED there is no positive or negative. There is, but we say it anode and cathode. Cathode is the negative side and anode is the positive side. So this will go right over here. And this will go right over here. Now, as you can see, these lines when I put my cursor over here, that means this is connected horizontally, and when I put my mouse cursor over here, this means this, and this line means it is connected vertically. So now I will just connect the power to it. Now I've connected the power. Now to check how much the current it is giving, we will take the positive side and connect it over here and the negative side over here. So from now let's remove the LED first. Now let's see how much current it is. It is 9 volt. Now let us connect the LED. Now let's start this. As you can see, now the current is 1.95 volt. Okay, and in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to use a vibration motor with a 1.5 volt battery. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share. And make a basic LED with make a basic LED circuit with 2 LEDs, and please tell me in the comments.